Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we will learn how to run the batch file in CMD, and I'll show you simple steps to execute any batch file directly using the command prompt. Step 1. First locate the batch file you want to run using File Explorer. Navigate to its folder and note the full path, including the drive letter, folders, and file name, which is essential for entering the correct command in CMD. Step 2. Open Command Prompt by typing CMD in the Start menu and pressing Enter. You can run it normally or as administrator if the batch file requires elevated permissions, which ensures all commands inside the file execute properly. Step 3. Navigate to the folder containing your batch file by typing cd followed by the folder path, such as cdc, users, user desktop. Then, type the batch file name with the .bat extension, like example.bat, and press Enter to execute it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tips and tutorials.